I just got done with my workout, and I'm just going to show you one round of what I did. This was a 4-round workout, so it took about 20 minutes for me. Let's see, what was the first thing? I was following along a video, so I don't have my paper on me right now, and I forgot to dig it out before I started the video, but it's pretty simple, just 5 movements, starting with jump squats. So let's get started. I want to go to bed, okay? Alright, jump squats. So you come down, touch the floor, come up. Now I'm not going to jump very high because the ceiling is like this much on top of my head, so I'm not going to jump that high. I'm just going to hop, but we're going to do the motions at least. So jump squats first. 1, 2, 3, oops, felt my head brush. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 jump squats. What was next? Push-ups. These might be out of order, but at least remember the movements. Here we go. 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I remember it was not push-ups. It was supposed to be a plank next. That's okay. We'll do the plank now. Okay. Well, how long was this? This plank was like 20 seconds long. I don't have a timer on me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start. The plank is 20 seconds. Can't even see what I'm doing. I'm too lazy to lift up my mattress. This new mattress here, if you remember, I used to work out with mats, but this mattress here is so heavy. It's like a full mattress, so I can't lift it. It's not that easy to lift, so that gives me an excuse to not do it. Alright, what was next? So I'm just doing it on the bed. Alright, this one, I'm going to use a kettlebell. And these are 10 one-arm swings, 1 on each arm. Or 10 on each arm, I should say. So, start with this side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do some hip circles real quick. Hi Tracy. Thank you. I'm in my jammies. I'm too lazy to get all dressed up in Lady Boss swag. Sometimes working out in your jammies is a deterrent for me. Or working out, if I have to get dressed to work out, sometimes that's a deterrent. Because I'd rather just get into it, you know? Which is fine for when you're at home or something. 2, 3. I didn't feel like getting dressed up in swag tonight. It's getting late. 10. Alright. 10 on the other arm. And then it was, what was it? Oh, abs, sit-ups. Cross your arms. I got my feet on the floor. So curling the back down. Trying to remember to unroll the back and roll it back up. It's hard. Okay, slower is better. Squeeze the butt. Alrighty, now it's the cool down. We're pretty much done with this. So for a cool down, it was a cat-cow. So roll your back up like a cat, and then roll it back like you're mooing. Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. I'm being silly. Well, this was the last movement, so that's basically all it is, which I like because it's so fast. But on the video they did 4 rounds of it at 30 seconds each, but I just counted to 10 since I didn't know it. So this was my 5th round, so I did 5 rounds of what I just did just now. So anyway, I am freaking sweaty in here. I'm gonna turn on the truck and get the AC going again. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and say hey and post my accountability workout for October. Last couple days I was in place with no internet. I'm basically a lot of the time driving through fields and fields of corn, and there's no service sometimes. But tonight I have service, so I decided to go live and, you know, share my workout. Just keep on trucking. So good night, ladies. Love y'all.